Occasionally Mount Vesuvius decides to pop in like it did today, which is just amazing. Hey, I'm Jadé and this is my Mecca Skin. So I guess my skin story starts when I was a teenager. I didn't really look after my skin properly. I didn't really cleanse it. I didn't use sunscreen properly. So I'm kind of wearing the costs of that now. I've got the old sun-kissed blemish on my face and a little bit of scarring. So before I do my skincare routine, I like to pop my hair up. So the first product that I use in my skincare routine is the Dermalogica Pre-Cleanse. This is my baby. I use this minimum twice a day, sometimes 3 to 4 times. I know, I'm probably cleansing too much. It just feels really nice on the skin and it doesn't really actually lather, it kind of gets a bit milky. So I like to use 1 pump of this and then I just work that in. So as you can see, it's like quite oily when I put it on, but it doesn't feel like you're putting like a facial oil on. It kind of, you can tell it's a cleanser. You guys are about to see my good friend Mount Vesuvius in a second. Has he popped up yet? Yes, I love it. So once we do this, I think it was recommended to me that I do it for like 20 seconds, but sometimes they just do it a bit longer. Now we're gonna wet our hands just a little bit and just do that all again. And you should see now that it's getting a little bit milky. Working it through the skin. I'm gonna do a little splashy splash and then use the cloth to bring that off. This is absolutely one of my favorite parts of the day. There is no better feeling than coming home and taking your makeup off and then just putting all your beautiful creams on and just like baking in it, you know? I've got a bit of pigmentation around my mouth and on my forehead, and that's where my kind of like acne scarring is. But yeah, this is my skin and I kind of love it. Like, it's my face. That's what I've got. So I'm gonna use the Calm Water Gel now. That is also Dermalogica. I love this product. I've been using it for a while. It's just really light and I love that it just sinks into my skin like water would. And you're just supposed to rub it in your hands to activate it. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to go upwards on the neck, but I just like to freestyle, you know? So now I'm grabbing the BioEffect EGF Serum. So I've just spent a lot of time in the sun, like months. I think I actually skipped winter, so I need a lot of hydration in my skin at the moment. One of the main ingredients in this is hyaluronic acid, which is like deeply moisturizing and something that I absolutely need after my extended summer. So I didn't used to love serums because some of them just felt kind of sticky and this one doesn't feel like that at all. So now I'm gonna use the Perricone MD eye cream. I never really used to use eye creams. I didn't really think they were necessary, and then I realized that I lacked a lot of hydration under my eyes. So now it is imperative that I use an eye cream, and I really like this one. I don't really want it getting all under my fingernails, so I'm gonna use the back of my nail to scoop it out, and then I just put that on my finger. I feel like eye cream just feels so luxurious. You know, you kind of want to put a piece of cucumber on your eyes afterwards. I feel like it accidentally creates like a highlight on my cheekbone and I love it. I'm gonna use the Drunk Elephant F-Balm mask now. So this can be used as a mask or just like another thin layer of hydration. I like to leave it on overnight. So it's recommended to use 4 to 5 pumps of this. I think I use 2 at the moment. So all my other skincare products so far have been like quite light. This one isn't heavy, but it's definitely more of a cream as opposed to like the kind of oil-based textures or water-based textures that we've been using. But I really like that because it feels like it's kind of just locking all of the moisture in that I've already put on my face. This one feels really nourishing. When I wake up in the morning, my skin just feels like so plump and soft and hydrated. So By Terry Balm de Rose is my holy grail of lip products. I remember I had really badly peeling lips one night and I researched this stuff and I went and got it the next day, and the night after that my lips were completely repaired. I'm not even kidding, it was ridiculous. And then just rub it in. It's also got a really cute like light pink color to it, like quite subtle though. So sometimes I actually wear it as like a gloss when I finish the rest of my makeup. So the final step of my skincare routine is the Mario drying lotion. And this is just a little present for my friend on my forehead. It's very important not to shake it. What you want to do is grab a little Q-tip and get that down into the pink stuff. I'm sure it's got a proper name, but we're going to say stuff. And I'm just going to tap it so that that water doesn't come along with it. And just give it a little dot on the spot. So this is gonna heal and dry that bad boy up, and tomorrow, hopefully it'll be less Mount Vesuvius, more sand dune. My skin feels really soft and really hydrated now. And yeah, that's my Mecca skin. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along this journey.